very warm welcome, everyone. This is Shweta welcoming all of you to the 79th Foundation Day of UCO Bank, your very own bank that honors your trust. It's indeed a very special day for all of us today, as we are all here to celebrate this auspicious day. From the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer to the Executive Directors, all members of the board, the general managers and each and every employee from across the nation are gathered here today to witness the 79th Foundation Day of UCO Bank. It's a big celebration for all of us, and I'm sure we have with us our esteemed customers without whose support this entire milestone would have been impossible to achieve. So a big thank you for all our patrons. It has been a long and glorious 79 years since UCO Bank began its journey, and it's still striding ahead with excellence and continued service to its customers from all the strata of the society by providing them with products that suits their individual and business needs alike. With its history of glorious past and meaningful shining present, UCO Bank continues to uphold its rich banking culture and looks forward to the future with a commitment to a great benefits to all its millions of customers. Let's turn through the pages of history through a short corporate film coming up next for you. The name's changed, but its commitment to serve its customers and society remains unchanged, and UCO Bank continues to be one of the famous and vibrant banks of India. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look.
The story begins in 1942 during the Quit India movement. In the year 1943, Shri Ghanshyam Das Birla, an eminent Indian industrialist with vision and foresight, conceived an idea of establishing a commercial bank with Indian capital and management. The United Commercial Bank Limited was incorporated to give shape to that idea on the 6th of January 1943 with an issued capital of rupees 2 crores and paid up capital of rupees 1 crore. The bank was started with its head office based in the commercial hub of Kolkata and simultaneously opened 14 branches across India, signaling its vision for an expansive presence. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation and an inspiration to millions of Indians, was one of the first customers of UCO Bank. Branch expansion was the primary focus during the formative years of the bank, particularly in rural areas, and the bank achieved several unique distinctions, priority sector lending and other social uplift activities. Besides providing inland banking services through its vast network of branches in India, UCO Bank made its footprint outside India in Singapore, Hong Kong and Tehran, Iran. The Government of India nationalized United Commercial Bank on the 19th of July 1969, whereupon 100% ownership was taken over by the government in United Commercial Bank. This historic event brought about a sea change in the entire fabric of the bank's thinking and activities, commensurate with the government's socio-political approach of mass banking as against class banking hitherto practiced. Though the logo of the bank had changed in the year 1943, 1958, 1973 and 1983, but the year 1985 opened a new chapter for the bank as the name of the bank changed to UCO Bank by an Act of Parliament. The customer-friendly and socially committed character, however, remained even with this change in the name, which has, over the years, been regarded as one of the well-known and vibrant banks in the country. The bank used the latest in technology as a great enabler in empowering customers to bank from anywhere at any time by introducing alternative banking channels to facilitate 24-hour banking across the globe, taking banking convenience to the customer's fingertips. UCO Bank has played a major role in the financial and industrial expansion of our country. With a countrywide network including specialized and computerized branches in India and overseas, UCO Bank has marched into the 21st century, matched with dynamism and growth. But the growth story of the bank would not have been possible without the relentless efforts of its employees. UCO Bank has ensured access to its services to customers at the highest and remotest corners of India by setting up branches at the most inaccessible spots on the map. The bank distributed food grains among the poor and needy people residing in the vicinity of the head office areas under Bortala Police Station of the Kolkata Police and Monoshadip located in Shagur Island, South 24 Parganas through the Ramakrishna Mission for Cyclone Yas affected areas under CSR. Meiti, Government of India recognized UCO Bank's sincere efforts towards promoting digital transactions and also awarded us with Utkarsh Puraskar of DigiDhan Award 2020-21 for achieving first highest percentage of digital payment transactions in its category among PSBs. UCO Bank was awarded the first prize in Rajbhasha Kirti Puraskar for outstanding performance in the field of official language by Government of Bengal. Narakas Bank, Kolkata, convener UCO Bank, was bestowed with Regional Rajbhasha Award in Eastern Region for 2017-18, 2018-19 and 2019-20, and the award was presented on the 18th of December 2021. But our journey would not have been possible without the unshakable trust of our esteemed customers. Rather than resting on its past laurels, the bank is marching steadily towards its 100 years with products and services to suit individuals and businesses from all strata of society, truly honoring your trust.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's formally inaugurate the evening with Ganesh Vandana.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणाधीताय गुणदेशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Ladies and gentlemen, may I now have the pleasure of inviting on stage our Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Shomashankar Prasad, along with the Executive Directors, Mr. Ajay Vyas and Mr. Ishraq Ali Khan, for the lighting of the lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, the rich history of UCO Bank is definitely awe-inspiring and something to feel proud of. And on this auspicious day of the 79th Foundation Day of UCO Bank, may I now have the pleasure of inviting on stage our Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer to share a few words with us.
Shri Ajay Vyas, ED, Shri Ishraq Ali Khan, Executive Director, Corporate GMs, our esteemed patrons, distinguished guests and UCO family. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to the 79th Foundation Day of the Bank. On this auspicious day, I extend my warm regards to everyone for being a part of our UCO family and also wish you all a happy new year. Let me first pay homage to the UCOites and employees who lost lives battling COVID-19. Last 2 years have been by far the most challenging in modern times due to pandemic-induced bouts of volatility, spillovers and heightened uncertainty. Nevertheless, the mankind bounced back after the second wave of pandemic in a matter of few months with renewed vigor, displaying our adaptive resilience. At the same time, threat from new COVID variants is not something we should ignore. I have taken charge as MD and CEO of UCO Bank on 1st January 2022, and I must admit, I miss standing in front of you today in person to celebrate the 79th Foundation Day of the UCO Bank. Yet, I am happy to connect with you virtually through a safer environment adhering to COVID protocols. I take this opportunity to pay rich tributes to G.D. Birla, a visionary and architect of India's industrial growth and also founder of this great bank. Founded on 6 January 1943 during the peak of India's independence movement, UCO Bank has been constantly nurturing enterprises, realizing our dreams and serving the national priorities to become self-sufficient across sectors. I would like to thank patrons who trusted us throughout our journey so far and also the management that steered the bank over the last 7 decades. From a humble beginning in 1943 with founding branch at Indian Exchange Place, Kolkata, we are around 22,000 employees having 3,071 branches with presence in Hong Kong, Singapore, and a representative office in Iran, 2,374 ATMs and 80 e-lobbies, along with over 3,000 BCs serving even the most remote areas of India. We are fortunate to have won the trust and love of our 3.5 crore customers. Our deposit base of over rupees 2.1 lakh crores and a business mix of rupees 3.35 lakh crores is an indicator of trust reposed by customers in us. We at UCO Bank have always put nation first, even before an independent India was created, and worked towards an inclusive growth across all sections of the society. My UCO family did a commendable job as frontline warriors for providing uninterrupted services. Bank did a commendable job in extending credit to hospitals and other related units with a vision to strengthen India's medical infrastructure, which came under severe stress during the second wave of pandemic. Also, Bank successfully delivered various government-initiated COVID relief packages to our customers seamlessly and proactively extended fresh credit lines to eligible MSMEs, farmers and other customers to help them restore economic activity. This Foundation Day is a testament to dedicated efforts of UCOites, proactively accepting and overcoming challenges while keeping our core values intact. We have seen through many challenges and emerged stronger with every passing decade. Our energies are channeled in creating a high-performance bank focused on strong fundamentals and better financials. Bank is well capitalized and has capital to pursue growth and improve our standing amongst other banks across various parameters. In terms of technology, we have migrated to a newer version of CBS platform, Finacle 10, and we are swiftly moving towards a complete digital transformation. We will bring in a lot of improvements in our systems and procedures by leveraging technology to further reduce our turnaround time. While we are mindful of the headwinds in retail-led growth, we are working on augmenting our retail loan portfolio by onboarding quality assets through various customer convenience campaigns, and have also tied up with other institutions for co-lending, and also collaborated with fintechs for lead generation. Most schematic loans, including agriculture schemes, are being processed end-to-end digitally with a go or no-go decision to reduce margin of error. Hub and spoke model for processing RAM advances is also a key enabler. Through our channel partners, we have improved our product offerings across insurance and investment sectors to our customers. UCO Bank has a proud legacy. Our future prospects are even brighter. We are accordingly building new capacities in credit underwriting, monitoring, recovery, human resources and digital banking. To commemorate the 79th Foundation Day, Bank will be launching the following schemes to enhance customer convenience. Corporate M-Banking Facility, RuPay Select Card, Chatbot Talkback Feature, Straight-Through Processing in Shishu Mudra Loans, ASBA feature on M-Banking. Despite challenges, our long-term prospects remain sound. Government has taken a number of measures to revive customer demand as well as investor confidence. Recently announced ECLGS extension and production-linked incentives aimed at promoting domestic manufacturing will act as a catalyst in reviving capex spending and create huge opportunities for financing. I can confidently say UCO Bank is ready for new growth areas and will grow vigorously with the economy turning the corner. I urge all UCOites to step up to challenge our competition and exceed the expectations and make UCO Bank a top-class bank in the days ahead. My best wishes to the UCOites and their family members on the auspicious occasion for the bank. I once again extend our gratitude to our stakeholders, regulators, patrons for being with us. We are committed to deepen our valued relationship further. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you so very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, that was our MD and CEO sharing such great insights with us. May I now have the pleasure of inviting our Executive Director, Mr. Ajay Vyas, to share a few words with us.
Thank you, Shweta. Dear UCOites, Namaskar. I am indeed delighted to address 79th Foundation Day of UCO Bank. My greetings to all 22,000 employees, 3.5 crore customers and stakeholders of our beloved bank. I also convey my greetings for the new year 2022. Year 2021 was very eventful year. On one hand, pandemic created havoc in the bank and we lost many staff members. On other hand, we have received lot of good news for the bank. I pay my homage to all the staff members and family members who lost their life due to COVID. It's a new beginning for the bank in 2022. Now we can proudly say that we have a strongest balance sheet among peer banks. The financial ratios of the bank are very good right now. We have growth capital. Our asset quality has improved to a larger extent. Gross NPA is in single digit. Net NPA less than 4%. Provision coverage ratio which is more than 90%. It means whatever recovery will come in NPA accounts will directly go to my P&L. The operating profit has just doubled in last 3 years. We started from 700 crores, now it is almost 1,400 crores per quarter. The NIA has improved. We have adopted new technology platforms. Yes, you are right. We are now a very healthy, young, dynamic, lean and business hungry bank. I give credit of this transformation to all 22,000 UCOites who tirelessly worked for turnaround of the UCO Bank during last 3 years. During last financial years, bank achieved many accolades, namely on 8th September, bank was out of PCA. On 27th December, we migrated to Finacle 10. On the same day, we migrated to new internet banking called FEBA platform. We got Kirti Puraskar in Rajbhasha. Our mobile bank was ranked top in all banks, including private banks. We got Utkarsh Puraskars, highest number of digital transaction by Government of India. Also, you earned 10% performance linked incentive, which was a big achievement. With the change in the technology platforms, both on transaction platforms, on underwriting engines, on mobile banking platform, on internet banking, we can truly say that today we are digital bank. Now to sustain the growth trajectory which we have achieved in last 3 years, lot of efforts are now required. Whatever we could manage in balance sheet, we have already done it. Further operating profit, reduction in gross NPA, increase in the profits will only come through a different mode now. I am prescribing today you 2 action points. First action point is customer acquisition and second point is adoption of digital banking. Both in asset and in liability products, we need to acquire customers. Bank is slowly losing its market share, and it's not a good sign for a growing bank. So this year, we need to open current accounts, we need to open saving accounts, we need to open time deposit accounts, retail banking, agriculture advances and MSME. In all sectors, huge customer acquisition is required to be done. And secondly, migrating the existing customers to digital platform. We have very advanced digital platforms like debit card, mobile banking, internet banking. All these platforms are available. Unless until we move our customers to these platforms, it will be very difficult to retain these customers. In the last board meeting, the board member decided that our business mix for in the year 2025 should be 5 lakh crore. Now all employees, all UCOids need to work on this. We worked on the CAGR for deposit, it should be around about 13%. CAGR for credit should be about 17%. It means we need to grow faster than our competitors to regain our market share. We all have strength, friends. We are poised to venture into a new horizon altogether to achieve a mark of 5 lakh crore in 2025. I know your strength, I know your capabilities, I know the strength of balance sheet, and I am fully confident that in coming 3 years, we will make our balance sheet 5 lakh crore. The collective capabilities of all UCOids have taken us where we are today, and the bank will continue to invest in them and introduce industry leading practices. The combination of continued excellence, prompt customer services, innovative thinking and strong corporate structure coupled with our time tested staff members holds a promise for a bright future for the bank. At the end, I once again convey my greeting to all on the auspicious occasion of bank's 79th Foundation Day. Let us make our bank a top class bank. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
We thank our Executive Director, Mr. Ajay Vyas, for sharing such great insights. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I now invite our Executive Director, Mr. Ishraq Ali Khan, to share a few words with us.
Thank you, Shweta. Good evening to all and welcome to everyone in this gala evening of celebration on the occasion of 79th Foundation Day of UCO Bank. My greetings to respected MD and CEO, Shri Som Shankar Prasad ji, Executive Director Shri Ajay Vyas ji, and my hearty wishes to all the UCOids and to their family members, investors, stakeholders and customers. I am honored to deliver my maiden address regarding Foundation Day celebration to the UCOids. I assumed the charge as Executive Director in March 2021, and at a time when the bank is shifting its strategy from survival to the growth under the spirited leadership of MD and CEO. Therefore, it is a time to build strategies for the challenges that lie ahead in achieving the goal of a vibrant and overgrowing organization. It is needless to mention that today's banking is not simply deposit and withdrawal or providing loans. Modern world has become increasingly interconnected with mobile phones and handheld devices with internet connections, enabling broader reach to information, services and products. Hence, to cater the multifarious needs of the customers, our technology offerings have to be state of the art. We all know that present days are the time of technology, and thus we have done a lot of upgradation in our ADC products, alternate delivery channel products, to make them more user friendly. Our M-Banking app is rated as one of the finest, I will just repeat, one of the finest among entire banking industry. For better lending, we have introduced new software called Lending Process Automation for quick disposal of loan proposals through system-based applications, where fintechs are integrated for helping us to take more accurate decisions in respect of the loan proposals. We have established agriculture loan apps in many zones for quick disposal of agriculture loan proposals. So we can minimize our turnaround time. 15 ALHs are already functioning across the country, and another 13 agriculture loan hubs ALH will start functioning very soon. The key of success is taking challenges to provide good environment for your people. And for this, one of the most important factor is creating a well-developed IT working platform. By taking new challenges in IT systems, we have upgraded our working platform by upgrading Finacle 7 to Finacle 10. Very smooth integration, and this will provide our employees a better working experience and will provide more accuracy. This new platform is the state-of-the-art new technology which will be beneficial for our customers. Also, they will be enjoy hassle-free quality services in own time. There is another big challenge as a financial institution reaching to each and every customer's doorstep and creating awareness regarding banking services, addressing to their financial needs. For this purpose, UCO Bank has taken initiative to conduct outreach program in all the 42 zones across India to reach up to the customer. As a responsible organization, we stood beside our people during the lockdown period of COVID-19 pandemics and cyclone Yas. We distributed staple foods and other essential services items to pandemic affected poor. Our bank has crossed many hurdles including PCA. We have strengthened the bank in respect of its asset quality and financial health. Customer service plays a major role in any business. Being in a service sector, it plays a very vital role for industry profitability. Bank has a zero tolerance approach regarding customer complaint. We must provide top class customer service. I feel very happy that our bank has risen above various challenges with flexibility, resilience and courage. Thank you all for your enormous contribution in these regards. Let us work together for our bank across all the business segments and all over the globe to keep us going. Our efforts can make a world-class bank for every customer, investor and stakeholder. Just let me add, during last 3 years, bank has transformed and it has come out of PCA on this 8th September 2021. And since March 20, bank has shown net profit after loss of 17 quarters, and operating profit is increasing quarter to quarter. Financials of the banks are too much strengthened. Even if you see PCR, provision coverage ratio, it is 90%, which is the highest in the industry and it is the best in the industry. Now bank has to adopt faster technology. We have done already Finacle 7 to Finacle 10 upgradation. Now fintechs are to be onboarded, already onboarded, but much more fintechs are to be added. Bank has to adopt robotic processes, artificial intelligence, blockchain technologies and cloud technology to get a real return on the investment. I will just conclude. This is the day of the celebration. Let us celebrate this 79th Foundation Day, and thank you very much for patience sharing here. Thank you all.
We thank our Executive Director, Mr. Ishraq Ali Khan, for sharing such great insights. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now request the Executive Directors, Mr. Ajay Vyas and Mr. Ishraq Ali Khan, to join us on stage and throw some light on the product launches.
On the eve of 79th Foundation Day, UCO Bank is launching few new products. First product is our RuPay Select card. It is a contactless card for affluent and HNI customer segments. During the pandemic, we have seen that health was a big issue. So what we have done, we have brought many good features pertaining to health in the Select card. You have one complimentary health checkup once a year, complimentary spa session once a year, 15 days / 1 month free gym memberships, 2 complimentary domestic lounge access per quarter, 2 complimentary international lounge access per year, personal accidental insurance cover of 10 lakhs of rupees, and enhanced e-commerce limit enhanced from 75 to 2 lakhs of rupees. There are multiple more features attached to the select card. We have understood the need matrix of the consumers, HNI customers, and they want product related to health, and to match their aspirations, bank has brought select debit card for affluent class of customers. After successful implementation of our mobile product, Mobile Plus, we are adding values to the mobile applications. There are a lot of demand from customers that we must add a travel marketplace in our portal. So today we are launching this product. This travel marketplace will facilitate ticketing, hotel booking to the best suited and lowest fare option from comprehensive range of suppliers. This marketplace, which can simplify scouting of flight tickets and hotels, comprising of all essential features, it is a better alternate to the time consuming conventional booking. In addition, it helps customer to reduce their travel expenses, save money through better planning and increase operational efficiency by adopting technical innovations and infusing best practices. Services which we are offering: flight booking, both domestic and international, hotel bookings and bus bookings. I hope this product will be a edge-cutting tool for grabbing more market share in mobile application. Our new product is rule-based straight-through process lending for Shishu Mudra loans. With the bank trend shifting from brick and mortar to mobile, bank has introduced a new facility called straight-through process for end-to-end digitized loan approval without visiting branches in order to cater the need of tech-savvy customers. We are introducing the same with Shishu Mudra loan for MSME and agriculture customers. A bank customer located anywhere in India can onboard themselves online, apply for loan and get their loan approved and disbursed in one shot, which is called within very minimal time period. Feature of STPs are: customer can log in anywhere, anytime and from any device. End-to-end automation to onboard a customer through fintech services like KYC, business verification services including selfie video, KYC, face matching, latitude longitude to address conversion, name matching, geo-tagging, distance calculation, etc. The loan can be sanctioned and disbursed within no time. This is a rule-based lending. Decide the eligibility of the customer, digital documentation execution through NECL, and finally the disbursement. So all can happen online without visiting a branch. This will bring a new future technology to the banking sector. Thank you.
So on the occasion of this 79th Foundation Day, we are launching a new product, that is UCO Corporate Mobile Banking. It's a exclusive app in its kind with simple, convenient and attractive interface for the corporate customers, which includes current and cash credit accounts. There are many features available in this: beneficiary management, fund transfer, favorite transactions, account statement, applying for insurance, checkbook facility, device binding, biometric login and app notification, and transaction limit of rupees 50 lakhs per day. And exclusive MIS will also be available to our corporate customers, and it will be a dashboard to keep a bird's eye view on the financials. It's a new app which is being delivered to our corporate customers. Second product we are launching is that introduction of ASBA in UCO M Banking Plus. It is on the ASBA application supported by blocked amount for applying in IPO, available on the mobile. Now ASBA is also available in UCO M Banking Plus with more user friendly smooth interface for better customer service convenience. Let's utilize this unique experience in our all well rated and appreciated mobile banking app to build wealth. Now we have one more feature launching today, that is UMA UCO chatbot. It is already there, but it has come with an enhanced feature, that is talkback features. It is available on bank's website, mobile banking, e-banking. What is talkback enhanced features? it is fully hand-free, interactive, voice-based services. So these will be add further values towards our customers' service engagement. Please utilize this service and encourage your customers to use this. Thank you very much.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for the team for introducing us with such lovely and amazing banking products. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is a celebration launched by our Honorable Prime Minister of India to celebrate 75 years of independence. We at UCO Bank take pride to be a part of this celebration. As a part of the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and as per the direction of Department of Financial Services, UCO Bank has prepared 5 testimonial success stories of our customers. This is one of the video among those 5 videos. Let's have a look.
हम किसी से पब्लिक से सुना है हमारा यूको बैंक सेंटर में किसी से लोन आया है बोल के, जिसकी हमें बहुत ज़रूरत थी। यूको बैंक के मैनेजर के पास पैसे मांगने गया था, हमको 1 लाख रुपया दिया था। इसी पैसे से हम खेती किया था और हमारा धान, मकई, हमारा ये अदरक, अरबी सब खेती किया था। हम उसी से खेती करके उसी से हमारा परिवार अच्छा से चलता है। हमारा हस्बैंड का उसी से अच्छा से चलता है, हमारा बेटा बेटी का उसी से चलता है। हमारा छोटा बेटी उसी से दिल्ली में पढ़ रहा है और हम अपना गांव वालों को मकई, धान, अदरक, अरबी खिला दिया, फ्री में खिला दिया। वो बहुत खुश हो जाता है और हम भी खुश है। और हमारा उसी पैसा को हम मंथ एंड में महीना में हम दे रहा हूँ और यूको बैंक को हम धन्यवाद देता हूँ। हमारा उसी पैसे से परिवार अच्छे से चलता है, वही पैसे से सब चीज़ मिला है हमें। हम सब चीज़ के लिए उनका बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। इतना सारा बहुत सारा।
यूको बैंक जन सामान्य से जुड़कर उनकी वित्तीय सशक्तता को सुनिश्चित कर रहा है।
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's time now to relax and enjoy some lighter moments and letting our hair down. And what better way to do that than with some great music? Ladies and gentlemen, we have some amazing soul-searching and foot-tapping numbers lined up for you. And for that, I need your engagement as well, because you will have to clap and tap your foot as well. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have the pleasure of inviting an amazing performer on stage, Shyam. Please put your hands together for Shyam.
Thank you so much.
Happy New Year, Shyam.
Happy New Year.
How are
and
you?
I'm good. And I wish all the audience out there a very happy New Year, to all the musicians and to you too.
Thank you very
you so
much, and
much.
we all wish and hope that 2022 is going to be amazing for all of us. The stage is all yours, Shyam. Please
Thank you
take
so
your
much.
stage.
Thank you so much. The song which you're gonna sing right now is one of my favorite songs. It's called Abhi Mujh Mein Kahi, and it's sung by none other than Sonu Nigam sir. And I wish that everyone who is sitting out there, so everyone love this song, and it's one of my favorite songs. So let's go.
अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी, जगी धड़कन नहीं, जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो अभी। कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है, ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा, अब है सामने, इसे छू लो जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा, खुशियाँ चूम लो या रो लो जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा। सी है जिंदगी। कुछ ऐसा ही अब महसूस दिल को हो रहा है, बरसों के पुराने जख्म पे मरहम लगा सा है। कुछ ऐसा रहम इस लम्हे है, ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा, अब है सामने इसे छोड़ो जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा, खुशियाँ चूम लूं या रो लूं जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा, अब है सामने इसे छू लो जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा, खुशियाँ चूम लो या रो लो जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा।
The song which I'm gonna sing right now is called Ek Ajnabi Hasina Se, sung by none other than the Kishore Kumar sir. So I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you so much.
एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। फिर क्या हुआ ये न पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई, एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। नजर दिन में रात हो गई, एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। फिर क्या हुआ ये न पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। मुझसे खफाओ जाने हया हो गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई। फिर क्या हुआ ये न पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई।
The next song is called Sanson Ki Zarurat from the film Aashiki, and is sung by Kumar Sanu sir. So let's hear it. Thank you.
सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे, सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे, जिंदगी के लिए बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। जाम की जरूरत है जैसे, जाम की जरूरत है जैसे, बेखुदी के लिए हाँ एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। सबकी तकदीरें हैं। वक्त के हाथों में सबकी तकदीरें हैं, आईना झूठा है सच तस्वीरें हैं। जहाँ दर्द है वही गीत है, जहाँ प्यास है वही नीत है। कोई न जाने मगर जिनकी यही रीत है। सांस की जरूरत है जैसे, सांस की जरूरत है जैसे, मौशकी के लिए बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। हाँ एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। मंजिले हासिल है फिर भी एक दूरी है। मंजिले हासिल है फिर भी एक दूरी है। बिना हमराही के जिंदगी अधूरी है। मिलेगी कहीं कोई रह गुजर, तन्हा कटेगा कैसा ये सफर। मेरे सपने दो जहां ढूंढूं मैं ऐसी नजर। चांद की जरूरत है जैसे, चांद की जरूरत है जैसे, चांदनी के लिए बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे, सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे, जिंदगी के लिए बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए, आशिकी के लिए, आशिकी के लिए।
Thank you so much. The next song is called Gulabi Aankhein, sung by Mohammad Rafi ji. So, let's go.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Come on everyone, put your hands up in the air. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारों, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया। दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे, तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवार पे। तुझ पे फिदा मैं क्यों हुआ, आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार पे। मैं लुट गया मान के दिल का कहा, मैं कहीं का ना रहा, क्या कहूँ मैं दिल रुबा। बुरा ये जादू तेरी आंखों का, ये मेरा कातिल हो गया। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। मैंने सदा चाहा यही, दामन बचा लूं हसीनों से मैं। तेरी कसम ख्वाबों में भी बचता फिरा नाज़नीनों से मैं। तौबा मगर मिल गई तुझसे नजर, मिल गया दर्दे जिगर, सुन जरा वो बेखबर। जरा सा हंस के जो देखा तूने, मैं तेरा बिस्मिल हो गया। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया।
Thank you so much. The next song is called Ek Hasina Thi, sung by Kishore Kumar sir. So let's go.
एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था, क्या उम्र क्या समा, क्या ज़माना था। एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था, क्या उम्र क्या समा, क्या ज़माना था। एक दिन वो मिले, रोज मिलने लगे। एक दिन वो मिले, रोज मिलने लगे। फिर मोहब्बत हुई, बस कयामत हुई। सुन के ये दास्तां हो गए तुम कहाँ। लोग हैरान है क्योंकि अनजान है इश्क की वो गली, बात जिसकी चली। उस गली में मेरा आना जाना था। एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था, क्या उम्र थी क्या समा था, क्या ज़माना था। एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था। हे हे! उस हसी ने कहा, उस हसी ने कहा, सुनो जाने वफा, ये फलक ये ज़मीं तेरे बिन कुछ नहीं। कुछ पे मरती हूँ मैं, प्यार करती हूँ मैं, बात कुछ और थी, वो नजर जोर थी। उसके दिल में छुपी चाह रौनक की थी। प्यार का तो फकत एक बहाना था। एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था, क्या उम्र थी क्या समा था, दीवाना था।
Thank you so much.
ये रात में जो मजा है, मजा ये कुछ नया नया है। ये दिल को आज क्या हुआ है कि झूमता ही जा रहा है। झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा। ओ, ये रात में जो मजा है, मजा ये कुछ नया नया है। दिल को आज क्या हुआ है कि झूमता ही जा रहा है। झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा। झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा। ख्वाब जागे जागे है निगाहें कोई कोई डांस डांस। आज खुश नसीब वो ही जिसकी बाहों में है कोई डांस डांस। दिल में ख्वाब जागे जागे है निगाहें कोई कोई डांस डांस। आज खुश नसीब वो ही जिसकी बाहों में है कोई डांस डांस। जवां है तुम जवां हो, दिल जवां है धड़कने जवां। हम जवां है तुम जवां हो, दिल जवां है धड़कने जवां। झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा। ये रात में जो मजा है, मजा ये कुछ नया नया है। दिल को आज क्या हुआ है कि झूमता ही जा रहा है। झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा। सुरूर छा रहा है, क्या खुशी उमड़ रही है। डांस डांस हम पे तब बढ़ रही है, हार्ट बीट बढ़ रही है। डांस डांस। जमाना ऐसा खूब ये खुशी कहाँ, ये जवानी ये जमाना ऐसा खूब ये खुशी कहाँ। झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा। ये रात में जो मजा है, मजा ये कुछ नया नया है। कि दिल को आज क्या हुआ है कि झूमता ही जा रहा है। झूम 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 बाबा, 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 झूम 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 बाबा।
Thank you for supporting us. Thank you so much.
Wow, Shyam, I'm sure everybody was enthralled by your performance because I was literally tapping and dancing and letting over my hair down,
Thank
sitting
you so
down
much.
there.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I'm sure you had a great time performing
Yes,
for
yes,
us,
yes,
but we are not over yet. We would be needing you again. Thank you so much for now.
Thank you so much.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, to make our experience all the more enriching and fruitful, we have another amazing, beautiful performer with us. She's not just beautiful, her voice is melodious too. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Meghla. Very warm welcome, Meghla. Happy New Year 2022. Kaman acho, and how are you? Tell me.
Thank you so much, Shweta. Very happy New Year to you. And I wish everyone, the Yuko family, a very happy New Year. And let's start our journey together.
Absolutely. 2022 is going to be very good, not just for Yuko Bank Parivar, but I'm sure all the patrons of Yuko Bank as well. Well, the stage is yours, Meghla. Please take it.
So the song is from the film Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, and the singers are Udit Narayan ji and Alka ji.
गजब का है दिन, सोचो जरा,
composed by R.D. Burman ji and sung by Kishore Kumar ji.
La 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 la. ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। रहती है तू मेरे पास आती नहीं, होठों पे तेरे कभी प्यास आती नहीं। ऐसा लगे जैसे कोई हंस के जहर कोई पिए जाए। शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। बात जब मैं करूं मुझे रोक देती है क्यों, तेरी मीठी नजर मुझे टोक देती है क्यों। तेरी हया तेरी शर्म तेरी पसंद मेरे होठ सिए जाए। কেন ডাকে মন ছুটে যায়, ময়ূর পঙ্খী মেয়ে হয়ে যায়, ভেসে যায়। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए।
So the song I'm going to sing is a brilliant composition by Shalil Chaudhary and sung by Lata Mangeshkar ji.
ओ सजना ओ सजना बरखा बहार आई, रस की फुहार जब जब छाई अखियों में रहना गई निंदिया ना आई ओ सजना बरखा बहार आई रस की फुहार लाई अखियों में प्यार लाई ओ सजना।
So this is a ghazal I'm going to perform, and the original singer is Farida Khanu.
हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे ऐसी बातें किया ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो यूं ही पहलों में बैठे रहो यूं ही पहलों में बैठे रहो आज जाने की जिद ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो। तुम ही सोचो जरा क्यों न रोके तुम्हें तुम ही सोचो जरा क्यों न रोके तुम जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुम जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुमको अपनी कसम जान जा बात इतनी मेरी मान लो आज जाने की जिद ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो। वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर चंद घड़ियाँ यही है जो आजाद है चंद घड़ियाँ यही है जो आजाद है इनको खोकर मेरी जान जा उम्र भर ना तरसते रहो सिखाया, तुमने मुझको हंसना सिखाया, रोने का है अब रो लेंगे, रोने का होगे रो लेंगे, आंसू का हमारे गम न करो, वो बहते हैं तो बहने दो, मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है, मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो, मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है, मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर। चाहे बना दो, चाहे मिटा दो, चाहे बना दो, चाहे मिटा दो, मर भी गए तो देंगे दुआएं, मर भी गए तो देंगे दुआ, उड़ उड़ के कहेगी खाक सनम, ये दर्द मोहब्बत सहने दो, मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है, मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो, मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है, मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर।
Wow, Meghna, you literally mesmerized all of us with your lovely rendition. We loved it.
Thank you so much.
Well, I have one request, and I'm sure everybody will be enjoying that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, when we have both lovely performers right here with us, why not club them together and have a duet performance, right? Well, for that, I would be calling on stage Shyam one more time. Shyam, warm
you so
welcome
much.
once
Thank you.
again.
Thank you.
You both are such terrific performers, so we would be really, waiting in anticipation what you two gonna offer to both of us when both of us actually perform together. Stage is all yours. Put it on fire.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is our first duet. It's called Ye Raat Bhegi Bhegi, sung by Manna Dey sir and Lata Mangeshkar ji. So this is for you all.
ये रात भीगी भीगी ये मस्त फिजाएं, उठा धीरे धीरे वो चांद प्यारा प्यारा, ये रात भीगी भीगी ये मस्त फिजाएं, उठा धीरे धीरे वो चांद प्यारा प्यारा।
क्यों आग सी लगा के गुमसुम है चांदनी, सोने भी नहीं देता मौसम का ये इशारा।
इठलाती हवानी नम सा गगन, कलियों पे ये बेहोशी की नमी। ऐसे में भी क्यों बेचैन है दिल, जीवन में न जाने क्या है कमी।
क्यों आग सी लगा के गुमसुम है चांदनी, सोने भी नहीं देता मौसम का ये इशारा।
लगा के गुमसुम है चांदनी, सोने भी नहीं देता मौसम का ये इशारा। ये रात भीगी भीगी ये मस्त फिजाएं, उठा धीरे धीरे वो चांद प्यारा प्यारा। ये रात भीगी भीगी ये मस्त फिजाएं, उठा धीरे धीरे वो चांद प्यारा प्यारा। उठा धीरे धीरे वो चांद प्यारा प्यारा, उठा धीरे धीरे वो चांद प्यारा प्यारा।
Thank you so much.
This song is from the film Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar and sung by Udit Narayan ji and Sadhna Sargam ji.
चाहे तुम कुछ ना कहो, मैंने सुन लिया कि साथी प्यार का मुझे चुन लिया, चुन लिया, मैंने सुन लिया।
पहला नशा पहला खुमार, नया प्यार है नया इंतजार। कर लो मैं क्या अपना ऐ दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार तू ही बता। पहला नशा पहला खुमार, उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं, या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं। उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं, या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं। एक कर दूं आसमान और ज़मीन, अब यारों क्या करूं क्या नहीं। पहला नशा पहला खुमार,
by R.D. Burman ji and sung by Kishore Kumar ji and Asha ji.
एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह। एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह। और जो तन मन में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था। एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह। हाँ, एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह। और जो तन मन में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था। हुई जवा वक्त भी है मेहरबा, फिर ये कैसे दूरियां। बोलो 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 बोलो। एक मैं
और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह। हो एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह। और जो तन मन में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था। ला 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 ला
ला ला ला ला ला ला ला।
वक्त आने पे मिटाएंगे इतना पास पास आएंगे। इंतजार तब तलक, बेकरार तब तलक, यूं ही प्यार तब तलक। बोलो 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 बोलो।
एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह।
एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह।
और जो तन मन में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था। ये तो होना ही था। अरे ये तो होना ही था। ये तो होना ही था।
गुनगुनाती है हवाएं, गुनगुनाता है गगन। गा रहा है सारा आलम।
जुबिरू परंपा। Zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampa, zubi dubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man।
Hey! Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampa, zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man।
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे, दीवाने गिरने गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे। बगिया में तो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हुब्बा। भीगी भीगी साड़ी में यूं ठुमके लगाती तू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हुब्बा। आई 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 सुबी डूबी पापा, सुबी डूबी पापा, सुबी डूबी नाचे क्यों पागल स्टूपिड माँ। चाहों में बत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों में भंवरे गा रहे, दीवाने गिरने गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रही। बगिया में तो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हुब्बा। आई 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 सुबी पप्पा, सुबी नाचे क्यों पागल स्टूपिड माँ। सुबी पप्पा, सुबी पप्पा, सुबी नाचे क्यों पागल स्टूपिड माँ।
Was definitely not stupid and I'm sure सबका मन वो जुबी डूबी करके वो पागल की तरह ही डांस कर रहा था. It was amazing, है कि नहीं? I'm sure all of you enjoyed. A big round of applause for Shyam, Mekhla and all the lovely musicians here who definitely created a lovely ambience on which we were definitely dancing, tapping our foot and letting our hair down. I'm sure you have a great year and we would be wanting you again. Hopefully next year again if we meet physically for this amazing Foundation Day. Thank you so much and all the best for your future.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
May I now request our General Manager Corporate Communications, Mr. S.K. Shankayan, to join us for the deliverance of the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Sweta. Good evening, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for the event and acknowledge the contribution of those who have made this celebration a grand success. I heartily thank respected MD and CEO, Sri Soma Sankarji, for his words of encouragement. His able guidance will surely take us to the peak of success. Also, from the bottom of my heart, I extend a word of gratitude to our executive directors, Sri Ajay Vyas ji and Sri Israk Ali Khan ji, for their valuable insight and guidance on this 79th Foundation Day of our bank. We all are really thankful for the inspiring deliberations. It will motivate all equates for years to come. I also thank all the respected guests, beloved customers, stakeholders and dear equates for their presence. Without them, it would not be a complete and successful event. I would like to convey my special thanks to our beloved customers, partners, stakeholders for keeping their faith and belief in us in every sphere of life. We appreciate the loyalty and faith they have on us. I extend my sincere thanks to Mr. Shyam Paul, Ms. Mekhla Dasgupta and entire sport team to make this evening brighter. It's needless to mention the name of Ms. Sweta for hosting the event and smoothly executing the program. Last but not least, I thank all my friends and colleagues who have helped directly or indirectly in celebrating the 79th Foundation Day in a befitting manner. Without their cooperation, it could have been quite difficult to make this night a resounding success. Finally, I leave you with this inspiring quote by Nelson Mandela: "A winner is a dreamer who never gives up." Once again, thank you all for your kind attention and patience hearing. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so very much, sir. Well, ladies and gentlemen, they say all good things come to an end. We are almost on the verge of concluding our evening tonight. I thank each one of you, the dignitaries, all our business partners, our customers, who all have gathered here in the evening tonight to commemorate the 79th Foundation Day of UCO Bank and making it a huge and a grand success. Tomorrow is a fresh day and we move ahead with the pledge and promise that we will continue to deliver and give the best to all our patrons. Indeed, it was a great time, and ladies and gentlemen, I must personally tell you that I enjoyed so much hosting the show, and I hope you all had a great time too. It's indeed me, Shweta, signing off, ladies and gentlemen. Stay safe, stay healthy, and wish you all a very happy New Year 2022. Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen. Bye-bye.